What's up, everybody? Zach here. I'm going to try out a new product for these cutting boards. It's Walrus Oil. Found these guys on Instagram, I believe, when I was posting some of my cutting board pictures. When I hashtagged it and checked out some of the hashtags, they were on some of others projects that I saw. So I was like, you know what? Good price. Got some good reviews. It's natural products. So I was like, let's try it out. So this has already been sanded, and I wet it to raise the grain and sanded it again. So I'm going to put some on and see how it goes. Be right back. All right, just want to get you a little better view right there. Move some of this stuff out of the way. Bring this a little closer. See, that's good right there. See how it does. Really brings the color of that walnut out. This one is walnut and cherry. So it has, well, the cherry, before you put it on there, it's kind of light. It does darken up a bit once you wet it. And this oil is definitely bringing out the cherry color. But the walnut is my favorite. It's probably my favorite wood to work with, just because of that awesome color that you get with it and the grain. I'll probably put a couple coats on this because it's gonna suck in. But this is food grade. It says it has coconut oil, natural beeswax, mineral oil, and vitamin E. And it says to let it dry for 12 to 24 hours, wipe away excess. Not for consumption or for the skin, but it is 100%. See if that focuses. Doesn't want to focus. Sorry about that, but I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, first time using this, so I can't really say how it is compared to something else. I was just going to use regular mineral oil and then a mineral oil and beeswax mixture after that. But I saw this product and I'm like, you know what? It looks cool. The guys are pretty active on social media. You know, I am also. So I was like, let's try them out. So that's what I'm doing. You can see it's pretty easy to apply. Make sure I get a good coat on this top. I'm not going to do the bottom now. I'll do that probably tomorrow. But once this dries, I'll probably put 2 coats on and call it a day. Let's see. All right. I don't know if there's any videos of anyone using this on YouTube or not, so I figured I'd do a quick one just so you could see it. Give them a little plug. I did pay for this. They didn't give it to me for free or anything, so just giving it to them because I think they're small company. I like to support the smaller companies. I work for a family-owned business, so anytime I can support a non-corporate company, I like to. All right, so you can see, really popped the color. It's got a little sheen on it because it's still wet. I sanded this with a product that's new to me. It's a sanding, I don't know if they call it, let me pull up the box so I can tell you. It's not a 5-inch, it's called Sand Net by Diablo. These right here. And I got one on my DeWalt. You can see that. There's a hole in there I put from using. I've been using this one a lot. It's like a net basically, and it comes with an adapter pad that goes onto your regular orbital sander to adapt to these. But they last a lot longer than a regular sandpaper disc, and I'm really amazed at how well it works. I've only used it on this board so far, but it's come really smooth. I sanded this one at 220. Actually, 220 is what I sanded this board down to. So it is extremely smooth. See if I can give you a better picture of it. Really doesn't, my phone doesn't want to zoom in. If you can see that grain, I mean, the walnut that I got is really awesome. I'm probably making too many shadows. But there it is with one coat. Darkened it up, really brought out the walnut. And I think I have some of the walnut left I used. It was 8/4. Really good stuff. If you can, my phone does not want to focus today. But it's got some really awesome grain in it. I think I got the one 8/4 piece for $8 in the short spin at my local mill. Guy that makes a lot of slabs, Dueling Maples. Look him up. He's on Instagram and Facebook. If you ever need any kind of slabs, but there it is. I'll put another coat on tomorrow, and then I'll update the comment section of this video. But again, it's Walrus Oil cutting board oil. They also make wax. I don't know why my phone does not want to focus today. I might have autofocus turned off. I don't know. Anyway, hope everyone's having a good night. There we go. I had the wrong setting, so you can really see what it is. See if it'll do this any more justice. You can see that grain. Really good walnut. All right. Hope everybody has a good one. And I got a couple more to do. These are just edge grain. They're not end grain. Still has that awesome grain pattern in it. And I believe this one is walnut and sugar maple. That one is still walnut and cherry. And they're fairly, I think I made them about 1.5 inches thick. It's a cool project if you're beginning into woodworking as I am, because it's not that hard and it looks pretty cool when you're done. You know, you get to use, I use the joiner, use my table saw, my crosscut sled, my planer. So you get to practice with some tools, make a cool project. Have a good one.